guys are idiots.
Hey guys.
Did Matt just run away then?
Oh my god. Seriously guys, I almost had a heart attack.
I'm gonna die!
Did you get stuck on video or something? How long were you waiting up there, you retard?
Like an hour, okay? So you two better have appreciated that.
Did you hear the six drop? Yeah.
Yeah, they
Yes,
turned around
why
and I
did we
jumped
turn
out,
around?
and when
We
they
turned
looked back, I was
I
there.
thought it was a squirrel at first. Until I saw you. How in the freaking world did you get up there?
I need a harness
good
to
question.
get down. I
can't even see you.
How are we gonna get down? Jake, this is like a serious concern.
Yeah,
Where
you guys
are
should
you?
be up
I
there.
don't even see you.
Okay, ready? Am I going first or are you going first?
Are you like